What are we doing today?
Ripping out the seats again.
But we did already do that. Why are we doing it again?
Because we made a mistake.
So, if you watch our last video, you will see that the original bus that we got ended up having some major problems, and we really didn't want to at the time get rid of it, but instead we decided, you know, we're about to live on this thing and it's probably pretty important that it is in good condition. If you didn't see the last video, we won another bus in an auction. This is a 1996 International Amtran DT 466 3800. We got this bus for around the same value as the other bus. It has 90,000 less miles on it. Every single thing in here works. It was in service for a school, maintained by a school, up to a week before we actually bought it. The mechanic for the school was nice enough to talk to me about all of the stuff on this bus, gave me the 411 on everything I need to know. This bus is a 77 passenger. I don't know very much about any of this stuff. This is gonna be a crazy deal. I'm gonna learn a lot, I hope. Hopefully we get some help too from some friends. This is our friend Tommy, and this is his home, and him and his wife were nice enough to let us do this here. You'll be seeing him in some of these videos, and his wife.